In this video, we'll learn how to send a campaign to our audience. Once we've designed, previewed, and tested our email campaign, we'll return to the Campaign Builder to do a final review of our campaign. If we have successfully created our campaign, we should see green check marks next to the 4 sections that must be completed before we send our campaign. The To section, where we selected the audience for our campaign, the From section, where we added our name and email address, the Subject section, where we customized our subject line, and the Content section, where we designed our email. If there aren't green check marks by each of these sections, be sure to go back and complete the steps to schedule or send the campaign. Below the checklist, we have the option to customize the campaign URL with a verified domain and subject line, and post to our social channels. Select Edit next to Settings and Tracking to add additional settings. By default, Mailchimp tracks opens and clicks, as well as e-commerce tracking if there's an online store connected to the account. We can also choose to manage subscriber replies with conversations and auto-convert embedded videos. To learn more, check out our articles in the knowledge base. Now we can schedule the campaign to send later or send it out immediately. To schedule our campaign, we'll click Schedule and select a delivery date from the drop-down menu in the Schedule Your Campaign pop-up modal. Here we can also choose a specific time and time zone. Depending on your plan, we can also choose to send our campaign in batches to prevent crashing our website from traffic clicks when sending to a large audience. Use Time Warp to deliver according to a recipient's time zone, or let Mailchimp determine the best time to send our campaign for maximum engagement. If we want to send the campaign right away and not schedule it for a later time, we can click Send. Once we click Send, the Prepare for Launch modal will appear in order to confirm our audience. Click Send Now, and the campaign will be on its way. Once the campaign sends, it can't be stopped or edited. However, certain paid plans have the option to cancel some campaigns after they're sent. Congratulations! You've sent your first email campaign. For more information on creating and sending your campaigns, check out the knowledge base.